Good morning. I'm making breakfast and I'm gonna do some shrimp and grits. I already got my shrimp in the oven. These are my grits, little grits, and I'm gonna add a little chicken broth, some butter. So I'm gonna boil my water. Now grits, you gotta take your time with it. You can't be rushing. Put a little bit of salt in the water and let that boil. You gotta really take your time with it. So yeah, we're gonna do some shrimp and grits. Alright, so here are my biscuits. And I already got my shrimp and my onions, leftover ham. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Make sure you listen to that pop. Yeah, your grits, you gotta take your time with it. Yeah, so using my biscuits, I like to clean as I go. So there are the eggs. It's my water boiling for my grits, and there are the eggs. So I'm about to pour my grits. It's kind of boiling, so I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. So I'm going to pour my grits. And I'm trying not to make a lot. So these are the grits. Come on. Bring my pot down just a tad. And make sure you kind of like stir. That's the thing about grits, because you don't want it to stick. And you want that creamy texture. And I want it to be. So I turn my grits down on low because I don't want it to be popping all over the place. So I'll add a little bit of butter. And I'm gonna let it kind of like sit. Some cheese. And we're gonna let that sit. Just gonna let it sit. Let me put up some foil over and just let it sit until it gets like soft. All right, so here's the debate. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to my grits. That's the debate. You gotta have it a little sweetened. Sugar or no sugar? So here's my breakfast. There are my shrimp for my grits. There are my grits. Shrimp. All right, so here are my shrimp and grits. The finished product. see how this tastes.